You must have seen Go High Level and all of those automation softwares, but what does that actually mean when it comes to someone saying that you should automate your business? Well, it's pretty simple. You take any tasks that requires manual input from your end and you try and figure out a way where you can use the software in order to automate the manual task so you can have that task getting done by the software without you needing to lift a single finger. For example, if you run any Facebook lead ads and you cannot be asked to message every single lead when they come in, then on Go High Level you can set up a simple automation that whenever a new lead comes in from Facebook, you can automatically send them a message no matter the time and day or when they came in. Every single time the lead will come into Facebook, they will be receiving a message from this automation. So just do a quick audit of your business and every single task that you do on a daily basis, and then try and figure out how you can automate the repetitive tasks, because automating your business will actually give you more time on doing stuff that matter.